In this video, I'm going to show you how you can report a community group for abuse on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To report any community for abuse, first go ahead and tap on these ellipses, and from here, go to communities. Now here you'll see a list of all the communities that you are in, and for my case, I'm only in this one community. Now to report it, go ahead and tap on it. When you tap on it, it will open further details for this community. Now, if you want to report it, go ahead and tap on these ellipses or these three dots, and we have an option to report this community for abuse. So if your community has violated any abuse that you wish to be reported, go ahead and tap on report abuse. For my case, I don't have any issue with this community that I'm in, so there is nothing to report over it. But those are the steps you should follow if you have any community group that you wish to report on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.